What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I wanted to give you a quick look at the Tusk license plate mount that we've brought out for the Polaris Xpedition. Now, if you've got an Xpedition in your garage, you've probably already thrown a street legal kit on it, but you're probably still looking for a great option on how to mount your license plate to the machine. We've seen a lot of people bolting them to the windshield frame. We've seen people doing a lot of silly things. This is something that's going to give you a factory fresh look, and it's going to hold up for a long time. So let's start off with this construction. This is an aluminum stamped piece, and we have powder coated it black. That powder coating is going to hold up for a long time, and it's going to give this a nice factory fresh look. When it comes to mounting this thing, this mounts into stock locations using stock hardware. So we've made this specific for the Xpedition. So you're going to get a great fit, and it's going to be easy to install. Now, when it does come to installation on this thing, it does come with hardware for holding your license plate on. But if you do want an upgrade, we've got a Tusk license plate light that you can use for one of the upper locations and wire it into your system to light up that license plate as well for better visibility. Again, if you're looking for a great sturdy license plate mount that's going to hold up for a long time, check out this Tusk mount. To get yours, jump on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to find yours. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.